channel and welcome back to another vlog. I'm Dinesh and this is Cranks and Pistons. So basically we're going to do a complete service, get the car checked fully, make it stock, bare stock, and then we're going to start the modifications on the car. So we're going to start with the pumping of the oil. We're going to get the oil out of the engine. So we're gonna get the oil filters changed. So the mechanic here is running the computer on the car to find out if any warning lights pop up, and we're going to see what else issues we're going to find in the car. As of now, the oil filters are getting changed and we're pumping out the oil, engine oil, motor oil, everything. They've pumped out the engine oil, putting in some fresh new oil. So the computer diagnosis showed that there's no issues with the car, so we're just going to do a basic service on it, get the engine oil sorted, get the filter sorted, and get a complete wash through of the car. Check out this S5. There's a crazy surprise right up front. Beautiful S5, smashed to bits. Oh man. So this is the garage life of Hong Kong, guys. Find some space, get your car in and try to get it fixed as much as possible, guys. So we're all done. Paid the bill. Car's all set. Gonna go get the car. As I was driving, the engine started fuming up. I don't know if the camera can catch it, but I can totally smell the fumes in the car. Gonna go back to the mechanic and see what we can do to fix. So what they're telling me is the engine cover for this oil, the oil cap more, so it's broken, so we're gonna have to change it. The oil splattered out all over the engine. Man, I got nervous for a second there. Thank God I was not too far so I could come back and get it fixed. Let's see what's gonna happen now. They're looking for a new cap. They don't have spares for Mercedes caps here, so they're hoping to find one, or we might have to head out and pick it up somewhere else. So this is the cover, guys. It's cracked, so it's leaking out. So supposedly we're going to take some time to have the cover ordered and get it delivered here. So we're going to go get some lunch. I'm going to join you guys back right after lunch. Whew, that was a good lunch. So the mechanic guys have just called me. They got the cap back and they got a new cap. So I'm gonna go pick up the car. Can't wait to see how it runs. I could actually feel the difference from before the service. Now the car runs way more smoother. The gear shift is fast. I can open out on the road. So without the smoke, let's see how much more faster it gets now. Car seems to be on. I guess it's okay now. You changed the cap, right? This one, right? Yeah. Okay. So we're all done. They fixed the cap. Check out how they blocked the road. So now Hong Kong doesn't have any space, so they have to use any space that they get. So they blocked out the road in the beginning there, and it's time for us to go. He's waiting. It's a very, very tight spot. Lot of stuff on all sides. Oh my god. That's it, we're out. I love these streets of Hong Kong, and I just can drive by and see some crazy cars. Oh, that is a nice Polo. Check out this mean Lambo, you guys. It's getting detailed. Seems to be running pretty smooth now. I can't believe for a 15-year-old car, still running so smooth. I can't wait to do the modifications to the engine now. So that's it for the vlog, you guys. The car is all sorted now. Let the modifications begin. Do let me know in the comments if you have any ideas. I'm gonna start out with getting a spoiler. I've ordered them, waiting on the arrival. And very soon we're gonna be driving in Thailand. Wait for that vlog. So till next time, cheers.